Wow, Lily, look at all the trees and flowers. The forest is so magical.
I see a butterfly, Mickey. It's so pretty.
Let's follow it, Lily. I think it wants to show us something special. This must be the magic flower of the forest. If we make a wish, it might come true.
I wish for lots of friends to play with in the forest.
Look, Lily, maybe your wish just came through.
Yay! Thank you, Mickey.
Let's play together, everyone. The forest is our playground.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Jessica here. Today I am diving into creating talking cartoon animation. Yes guys, and I'll be using a free AI software. Yes, you heard me. It is totally free. And the most exciting thing about this AI software is that you can download it on both your desktop and your mobile. I'm sure by now you know how the cartoon animation channels are raking cash daily, right? Now let's get into the tutorial. Let me show you how you can join the team. So guys, I will be creating this tutorial in 5 steps, right? So number one step is basically you telling ChatGPT to create or generate a story for you. So let's head over to number two.
So we are using 11 labs to generate our voices for our characters, right? So this is 11 labs. Just go to voices and go ahead and look for a voice you would want to use for your character, right? So I'm going to check for the voice that I want. That's Harry. I'll play it, and then if it's what I want, I'll go ahead and then click use. So I'm going to go ahead and click generate because there's already a text there that I imported. So I'll play it again and then before I download. So we are using 11 labs. Like I said, this is what the 11 labs interface looks like. So I'm going to just go ahead and delete this right up here to import another right up while the voice we chose is still there. So I'm going to back to ChatGPT to choose another text, right, conversation. I'll click on copy and then go back to 11 labs and then click, and then I'll paste it right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on generate speech. So if this is your first time using 11 labs, this is what the interface looks like, and it's literally just so simple to use. So this is all you have to do here. You don't really have to do much in 11 labs, and I love it so much. This is the second time I'm using it, and it always works perfectly for me, right? So guys, next up is I'll just go ahead. So I'm taking my time to do this for the new persons, like for anyone who is just coming to know about 11 labs for the first time. So if you watch this video, I'm sure you should have no problem using 11 labs, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and go back to ChatGPT and then look for another conversation from Mickey, and then I'll go ahead and copy it like so. Guys, just watch what I am doing. This is super simple, like you don't have to stress. You copy it and then go back to your voice generating apps, which is 11 labs, right click and then you paste it right here. Yes guys, so go ahead and click on generate speech.
Look, Lily,
So
your
once this
wish came
speech
true.
is
Now we
generated,
have
make
lots of
sure you
friends to play
always
with.
play it before downloading. Why you're doing this is because sometimes why copying and pasting you might mix up the text um and all of that. So and whatever you put in that text is what the voice is going to pick, right? Remember, it is a text to speech app. So I always advise, try as much as possible to play your voice before you download. All right, guys. So I'll go ahead again and delete the text. Then go back to 11 labs. Sorry, go back to ChatGPT and then do that. So I'm actually done generating the voices for my Mickey character. So next up is I'm going to look for a voice.
Happiness can
This
exist
voice
only
is
in
Gigi
acceptance.
animation for my next character, Lily, right? So I love this Gigi animation, and that is what I am going to use because it sounds like cartoon. And Yes, guys, I'm going to
I
click
see a butterfly,
generate
Mickey.
speech.
It's so pretty.
So once you're done with that, like I said, make sure you play it, and then you're going to go ahead and generate all the voices for Lily. That's my other character, right? So I'm going to go ahead and delete it as usual. I'm taking this very slow because if this is your first time using 11 labs, I really want you to understand this, that you won't have to watch this video more than 2 times to get um all of that, right? So I'm going to go ahead and copy the other conversations from Lily. Right click on it and then copy, go back to that app, go back to the voice generating app, and then generate
Look, Mickey. The flower is glowing.
the speech for. So next up is for us to create our characters, right? So in creating characters, we are using Adobe Express. Guys, this app is totally free. Adobe Express is free. You can have it on your mobile phones. If you don't have a laptop, you can also download it as an app on your phone. So guys, I am using Adobe Express and it is free. So go ahead, click on video. This is what the interface looks like. Click on animate from audio. Yes, guys. So once you get to this place, next up is you're going to, these are your characters, right? You click on the category, click animals, then go ahead and then select the kind of character you want. Of course, we are animating, so you definitely have to look for a character that, suits your storyline, right? So I'm going to go ahead and then search for the character I want to act as, Mickey. And yes, I found one. So once you click on it, the next step is to choose a background. So click on background and then click on custom color. Guys, please try as much as possible to use colors that are easy to remove when you want to remove the background. I used this color and it wasn't easy for me to remove the background, so I will advise try to use green screen, use green colors, orange colors that are really thick that you can actually take out very quickly or easily. Do not use this kind of colors you're seeing here. Yes, so next up is click on size. Then you're going to go ahead to resize for. Click on that drop down. Then you click on YouTube. Of course, we are creating for a YouTube. So for whatever thing you're creating for, just go ahead. But for this video, it's YouTube. So click on browse. And then when you click on browse, it will take you directly to where your voices are downloaded, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and I'll look for the first conversation from Harry. No, from Mickey. Yes. I'm going to look for the first conversation from Mickey. That's the first voice. I'll click on it and then once you click on it, it brings you back to Adobe Express, right? And this is loading. So this takes few minutes to load. So you just have to be patient with it, right? Yes, guys, and make sure this uploaded media thing you're seeing here uploads completely before you play the audio. So once that is done,
Wow,
like I
Lily,
said,
look
make
at
sure
all the
you
trees
play
and
your
flowers.
audio.
The
And for
forest is
this
so
very
magical.
particular app, sometimes when you play it the first time, the voice is going to skip. Don't download it. Play as much as you want to get the perfect voice you want before you download, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and then download this voice. Yes, guys. So next up is I'm going to go ahead and then do as much as I want. Replace the audio, go back and then click on browse and look for the second convo. So basically this is what you'll be doing here, right? So go ahead and then animate all the voices for your character. So I am done for the other character, for the Mickey character. So I am going for another character. So on the category, I'm going to click on all people. So whatever you want, you can click on young people, you can click on kids depending on your storyline. But I decided to click all people. So I'm going to see different kind of people that I want to use, right? Different kind of cartoon people that I want to use. So I am going with this Joycelyn here. Yes, guys, I was just trying to check if there are other ones, but yes, Joycelyn is fine. So go to background and then click on green screen. Please, guys, do not choose this color you're seeing on my screen. Make sure you use a green screen. So I'm just going to go ahead and replace the audio and then click on browse, right? And then go back to my audio, and then I'm going to look for the first conversation from Lily in our character. So I'm going to click on it, and then once that loads up,
I see a butterfly, Mickey. It's so pretty. I see a
go
butterfly,
ahead
Mickey.
and then
It's so
play
pretty.
it. Like I said, guys, please play it as much as you can before you go ahead to what, to download. Yes, so this is what you'll be doing literally. So let's animate our character. You click on record, hold it for a few seconds, and you see the object we move. Then you, once you do that, you go ahead and save it. But for my laptop, I was not able to animate this because the mic on my laptop was faulty, but I did it on my phone. So just click on that record, hold it for some time, and then you end it and then you save it. So that is how you're going to animate that. So next up is we are creating background for our character, right? So for creating background, we are heading over to our Canva. So once you get to your Canva, click on create design, then go ahead, click on video. Yes, guys. So once that is done, let's give it some time to load. Yes, guys. So you're going to scroll down and look for magic media. Yes, guys. So in the magic media, what you're going to do, you're just going to go ahead and then describe what, like, the features you want to see in your background, the things you want to see in your background. That is what you're going to describe here. So I'm going to go ahead and write a bright color cartoon village forest. Yeah, a bright color cartoon village forest with a lot of trees, um flowers, butterflies, anything you want, guys, anything you want to see, right? Then once you write that, just scroll down, click on retro wave, and then click on generate. That's retro wave. Yeah, then click on generate, right click and set as your background, right? So you can still go ahead to create another background by changing the style. Yeah, so I'm going to look for concept art. So I'm going to click on concept art, then I'll go back and generate again. So this is going to give me a different kind of background, right? So you have different backgrounds for different scenes of your story. So depending on how long your story is, you're going to create different backgrounds for your story to actually match your storyline, right? So I'm going to go to the empty one, set it as my background. So literally I have two backgrounds here, right? So next up is I'm going to element, and then I will type animated butterflies. Yes, guys. And then you have a lot of butterflies here for you to choose from. So go ahead, guys, and select any type of butterflies you want and select different type of animations. Just make sure you fill your background with characters to make it lively. Go ahead and explore this particular feature. Select as much animations that you want: butterflies, trees, flowers, birds, whatever it is that fits or suits your character. This is what you should do, right? So that is what I am doing. I'm gone ahead to do for the second background, and make sure you have a lot of animation in there to give it the life that you want. So once you're done with that, click on download separately. So next is to edit. So hop or go over to your favorite character, and then your favorite editing app, and then import all the voiceovers and then the background. And then I'm going to go ahead and drag my background first. So as you know, this is a CapCut editing app, right? And it's very simple to use. I'm
Wow,
sure a
Lily,
lot of
look
you
at
are
all the trees and flowers. The
conversant
forest
with
is so
it
magical.
already. So click on cutout, then click on chroma key, then you click on the color picker, and then the green color select. You'll click on strength, and that will definitely take away the green screen, right? So you have your animal there or your character there, and then you have to position it just the way you want. So you can go ahead, you have to do this for every character that you import,
Wow,
because
Lily,
they'll be
look at all the
carrying the
trees and
green
flowers.
screen,
The
right?
forest is so
So
magical.
basically you have to bring, first of all, you have to drag down the background, right? Then you bring in your characters one by each and overlay them on the background. So that is what I'm doing here. So
Oh, I see a butterfly, Mickey. It's so
basically
pretty.
that is it, guys. So if you've not liked this video till this time, please, what are you waiting for? Give me a thumbs up, please.
Wow, Lily,
Give this
look at all
video
the
a
trees and
thumbs up,
flowers.
please.
The
I
forest
am
is so
begging you
magical.
guys,
Oh, I see a
give
butterfly,
me
Mickey.
a
It's so pretty.
thumbs up, and subscribe to this channel so that you can watch more of content like this when I create and then post, right? So guys, this is basically it. Bring down your background and then overlay the characters. Go ahead and remove the chroma keys. Use the chroma keys to remove the background of your character. So I had to do this off screen, but basically that is the step. So if you've tried this and you have any challenge while trying this, please leave it in the comment section, and I'll be right there in the comment
Wow,
section
Lily, look at all the trees
to
and flowers.
respond
The forest is
to
so
you.
magical.
I see a butterfly, Mickey. It's so pretty.
Let's follow it, Lily. I think it wants to show us something special. This must be the magic flower of the forest. If we make a wish, it might come true.
I wish for lots of friends to play with in the forest.
Look, Lily, maybe your wish just came through.
Yay! Thank you, Mickey.
Let's play together, everyone. The forest
So
is our
thank you for
playground.
watching. See you guys in my next video.